know. Who, me? No, come on, I'm way too muscular for their taste. They wouldn't know what to do with all this.
My muscles are getting bigger.
You, sir, are playing a dangerous game. Keeping this much raw Vikingness contained. There will be consequences!
I'll take my chances. Stay put. There. You know what I mean?
A few moments later.
I'm running.
Okay, but I hit a Night Fury.
Not see that I have bigger problems. Winter is almost here, and I have an entire village to feed.
Gee, Squidward, maybe
Yeah, between you and me, the village could do with a little less feeding, don't you think? I can't stop myself. I see a dragon, and I have to just kill it, you know? It's who I am, David.
Seen anyone mess up that badly? That helped.
Thank you, I was trying, so. And when he does, it's always with this disappointed scowl, like someone skimped on the meat in his sandwich.
Excuse me, barmaid. I'm afraid you brought me the wrong offspring. I ordered an extra large boy with beefy arms, extra guts and glory on the side. These here.
This is a talking fish bone. No.
Yes! I have brought down this mighty Oh, we have a surplus of dragon fighting Vikings, but do we have enough bread making Vikings? Or small home repair?
No more of this.
You just gestured to all of me.
Yeah, it's only fun if you get a scar out of it.
Yeah, no kidding, right? Pain. Love it.
Pick up! Get in there!
Reddit.
All mine then. Wow. So, okay. I'll see you, tomorrow.
He needs some milk!
Why, hello.
Wrong head.
No, Hiccup!
Yeah.
Sorry. That's my fault. Yeah, I'm on it.
Your mother would have wanted you to have it. It's half of her breastplate.
I'm winning this thing.
Good. Please, by all means.
You get to kill the dragon!
I can't wait. I am so leaving. Let's pack up. Looks like you and me are taking a little vacation.
Let's go to the beach.
I've been making outfits. So, you got me. It's time everyone knew. Drag me back. Go ahead. Here we go. Ow! Why would you do that? Astrid? Toothless. Toothless? Astrid.
She's a track star.
Da-da-da, we're dead. And now the spinning.
Helicopter!
Thank you for nothing, you useless reptile.
That's for everything else.
What are you looking at? I knew it. I'm dead.
That's for scaring me.
What? Was it always gonna be this way?
I could get used to it.